everyone, I wanted to share my latest junk journal, and it has a vintage botanical theme, and it's the first time that I've made a journal with a junk journal with the rings on it rather than binding. So I've added a beautiful bead dangle to it with a bulb pin, and I've actually embellished the cover because I don't normally embellish the covers until I've finished the journal, but this time I decided to embellish the cover from the start. So here I've added some paper to the inside cover because it was chipboard, and this piece of paper came from a book that I bought from Edinburgh last year when we were in the UK, and so that's quite special to me. A little bit of a pocket there. This is one of my index cards that I made, and this is a digital printout of that. And I've got a pocket there. This was dyed with glimmer mist, this page, and this one folds out. Another one of my index cards, and a pocket here. Some paper that I've done, I did some marbling. The other side of this is a pocket. Beautiful scrapbooking paper and a colouring in page that opens out. A nice little pocket here with some ephemera, and this one is a bag. Another pocket, lots of lovely papers, coffee dyed papers that I've done myself, botanical papers, this is an envelope, index cards, scrapbooking papers that I've saved for a long time because they're so pretty. This one flips out, and I've done a nice edge on that too. This is one of my little art print cards. So that's quite sweet to include my own art in the junk journal. Another one of my index cards and a pocket. I tried to sort of keep a similar theme and pattern with the papers, so there was a similar number of pockets and envelopes and coffee dyed papers. And this page came from a book that I bought at Shakespeare's birthplace last year, and it's called the Botanical Shakespeare or something like that, so that's quite a lovely page too. There we go. Thank you very much for having a look at my journal, and I really hope you liked this different style for me, and yeah, thank you very much. Bye.